So Micron stock was just upgraded today with an average share price of approximately $52 a share, which means almost about a 50% increase from current stock price. And I really wanted to go into exactly what the reasoning was for this upgrade and whether I think that it has any, grounds to actually come to fruition and actually, impact their share price in a meaningful way, or if this is just relative market noise. And I think how I think about the analysts' overall perception of the market space. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification if you want any more updates on this. But I wanted to go over this because, Micron is one of the companies that I follow, and it's one of the most popular stocks here on my channel. So I know a lot of you guys that are subscribed to my channel follow Micron relatively closely, and a lot of you guys might be getting the wrong, in my opinion, the wrong perception from this type of an analyst upgrade. So what was said in this report was that Micron, it's trading at such a low value, it should be valued at about $52 a share, and that they think that the memory downturn is, due to, see more favorable conditions near the end of 2019, and, now would be a good time to start buying into the stock. And in my opinion, that completely goes against all the information that we just received, and I talked about in my last video here about Samsung's updated guidance that you can pull up right here in the CNBC article. I'll link it down in the description below. But Samsung, controlling more than 40% of the memory market share, just said that they're going to have a very weak memory demand, largely due to the fact of slow data center growth, slow innovation, because largely, in my opinion, due to Intel not being able to ramp up their new CPUs in time, nor at the quantity that people really wanted, and also weak smartphone sales. Micron is in, the iPhone. Apple's reporting weak numbers. And without any, catalyst from, say, Intel coming out with their CPU ahead of time and, ramping up production. I know that they're attempting to do that, but there's no real indicator that that has actually happened yet. So the fact that this upgrade is coming in at such a weird time, to me, it's somewhat of a bull trap, in my opinion. And I also think that this is going to leave a lot of investors, jumping back into the stock, or maybe dumping a lot more money into the company if they're already invested in it, because they think that the worst is over and now this is going to start in its upward trend. But when you take a look at Micron from, say, a technical perspective, Micron realistically just jumped up and hit its 50-day moving average and then is starting to get rejected by it, at least on the daily here. And this is something that I'm pretty worrisome of it, because obviously, if you follow technical indicators, or even if you don't, that the 50-day moving average, if a stock is trading below it and it starts to hit it, normally it gets rejected because of that. And the only reason why I think that it had this pop today, it was up about 7% at one point today. The only reason why this pop even happened, in my opinion, was just due to market noise because of this analyst's upgrade. When you look at all the other analysts, they're all projecting, to have weaker and weaker memory demand and smartphone demand over the next year. And based off of what the companies in these industries are talking about, they seem to also believe that there's going to be weak demand, for the foreseeable future. And I really wanted to bring that to everybody's attention, because while this analyst, yes, they might be right, and they might, have some pretty good thesis as to why that, this is the bottom, or this is going to be near the bottom. You should start accumulating the stock now, and, you should, attempt to buy it and sell it at that $52 valuation. I personally don't see it, and I really wanted to bring this up because I know a lot of you guys are following the stock. So this is just a quick update video. Wasn't really, meant to be anything special. I just really wanted to voice my opinion and my reaction to this type of an analyst upgrade, especially with how volatile the stock became. Just the fact that this analyst came out stating this, even though it goes against all of the information that has been circulating about the semiconductor and the memory space directly over the past couple of weeks, this is worrisome to me, because I think that this was a lot of, bull trap-esque vibes that are going on in the memory space market right now. And I think that a lot of people are going to get hurt because of this. I could totally be wrong, and that this could be the bottom, and Micron could, just be going up to its new all-time high from here on out by the end of 2019. But I personally, based off of the facts that companies have been letting out, especially Samsung, again, the company that holds the majority market share for this space, talking about how weak demand is going to be, I personally do not think that this was anything more than just market noise, and I would highly recommend you do your own due diligence, really focused on, is there any weight to what this analyst is saying? So that was just a quick update. Wanted to let you guys know. If you guys have any questions about it, make sure to ask me in the comment section down below, and let me know what your guys' take are on this, upgrade, and whether or not this affected your investment decision in Micron at all. I'd love to hear you guys talk about that down in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get to every single comment that is on this video. So that was a quick update. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys got some use out of this. And again, if you guys want any more updates to all of this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.